everyone, today we're going to be working on this nail design. It was a frosted nail, so I figured I would just pair it up with some frozen type design for you guys. I did want to tell you that the acrylic that I'm using on this nail, or actually on these nails, because I'm going to be creating 3 different designs, I did mix myself. If you would like to know how I did that, please leave it down on the comments below, and then I can definitely make a video and show you how I actually got this colored acrylic done. It's supposed to be a frosted nail, so it's not supposed to be white, it's supposed to be more like a translucent white. So yeah, let me know if you would like to know how I mix this, and then I can definitely make a video on that. Okay, so here I'm going to go in with this matte top coat, and I'm going to be applying that to all 3 nails, so then I can actually do my designs on top of the nail here. So I am going to apply this, and then I'm going to cure these for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I made the designs. Alright, so here I started off by creating a couple stars with some white gel polish, and then I went in with a dotter and just added dots here to this design, trying to create somewhat of a snowflake effect or snowfall effect. So once I was finished with that, I did cure that for 30 seconds inside an LED light, and then we're going to move on to the next design here quickly. And on this one here, I just try to mimic snowflakes, I'm sorry, not snowflakes, icicles. So I went in with this white gel polish, and I only applied it on the top of the nail here, or the cuticle area, and once I had that where I wanted it, I did add a little extra just because I was going to be dragging it down with this brush here. And what I'm trying to mimic here is just some icicles. So I'm actually pulling down on the extra nail polish that I applied at the beginning there. And I'm not going down in straight lines. I am trying to go down in just I would say kind of like a zigzag type of design, or like a just like a not a perfect line, because obviously icicles are not perfect. So I was just dragging that down with this brush here. And once I was happy with the way that looked, I did wish that I would have made those a little bit longer, but I had already cured the gel polish when I figured I should have made them longer, but that's okay. So now I'm not going to cure this yet. I am going to be sprinkling the gel polish with some snow dust glitter, or just a very, very fine glitter that you might have around, just to kind of give it that 3D look. So then I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds, and then with this brush I am brushing off the excess, and that would be it for this design. And here, this is just the last design that I was going to be creating. So I went again with white gel polish and created a zigzag line. I actually created two. On one end, I was going to apply a nail decal, frozen, one that had Elsa on it, and the other one that had Olaf. So I was just trying to create this zigzag line here to just somewhat connect both of the pictures to the nail here. So then once I finished applying or drawing the zigzag lines, I cured that for 30 seconds, and then I came back with my nail decals and I applied Elsa at the bottom here. And I was struggling a little bit just because these nail decals had a thicker film that I was not used to. Most of the nail decals that I do have a very thin plastic film. This one had a thicker one for some reason. But it was okay. I, played around with it a little bit until I got it where I wanted it. And then I went in with the Olaf nail decal here. And I don't know if you can tell, but you can actually see that the film is super, super thick. I did struggle, but, I kind of worked around that. So not a big deal. I kind of helped myself with this brush here. I did wet the brush with water only. I didn't want to wet it with acetone or anything like that, just because I was going to be pressing the nail decal onto the nail, and I didn't want to smear that design, or that Olaf design, off the nail decal. Once I got that where I wanted it, I went ahead and I applied the matte top coat just to kind of seal that in. And then I cure that under an LED light for 30 seconds. And then I'll go ahead and show you the finished product. But yeah, that would be pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you think. I hope you like it. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.